Ever wonder why some educators find navigating the world of technology in the classroom a steep uphill climb? Although technology-based teaching methods can engage students and build their skills, the challenges can sometimes outweigh the benefits. Yet, with the right tools and strategies, these obstacles can be overcome. 1. Run a virtual field trip. If a physical field trip isn't feasible, why not take students on a virtual exploration? It's both cost-effective and convenient. 2. Preview field trips virtually. Before the actual trip, a virtual preview can help students know what to expect and make the most out of the experience. 3. Quiet a noisy classroom. Use noise monitoring technology to manage the classroom's noise levels. It's like having an extra set of ears. 4. Use videos for mini lessons. Short, engaging videos can be used to introduce new concepts or reinforce learning. 5. Coordinate live video. Bring experts or other classrooms into your room virtually. It broadens the students' perspectives and enhances their learning. 6. Play podcasts. Podcasts aren't just for adults. They can be an engaging learning tool for students too. 7. Add multimedia elements to presentations. Images, videos, and audio can bring a presentation to life, making learning more engaging and memorable. 8. Send adaptive content. Personalize learning for each student with adaptive learning technology. 9. Share an online class calendar. Keep everyone on the same page with due dates, events, and reminders. 10. Use virtual manipulatives. These digital tools can help students visualize and understand complex concepts. 11. Run learning stations. Divide the class into groups and have them rotate through different technology-based activities. 12. Provide online activities for students who complete work early. Keep fast finishers engaged and challenged with extra online activities. 13. Save time for exit tickets. Use technology to quickly gather student feedback at the end of a lesson. 14. Use Twitter hashtags to take questions. Encourage student participation and engagement in a modern way. 15. Study, review, and critique content on web pages. Develop students' critical thinking skills by analyzing online content. 16. Use online mind maps for class brainstorms. Encourage creativity and collaboration with digital mind maps. The list goes on, but these 16 strategies offer a diverse range of ways to integrate technology into the classroom. Whether it's using multimedia to bring lessons to life or using online tools to foster collaboration, these methods have the potential to transform the way we teach and learn. So don't let the challenges deter you. Harness the power of technology and watch as your classroom becomes a dynamic, engaging, and inclusive learning environment.